should I do the hair color thing? I'm gonna show you how I use. If you're smarter than me, which you are, leave a comment and tell me what works, what doesn't, what I should stop doing, what you like, what you agree with me doing. And let's just be like a community that just like helps each other out. So like, yeah, like be interactive, like leave a comment. As long as it's like helpful and constructive, it's gonna stay out. If it's mean, it's gonna get deleted because it's my page. I do what I want. Haha. This is how I color my hair. And I save myself money. Okay, so I go to Sally's. Let's say this is $10. So this is the Claro Soy 4plex liquid color gray busters dark neutral blonde. Again, I like neutral things, ashy neutral, because I know no matter what, I'm gonna get warmth, right? I'm gonna get warm color, so I go for the neutral because anyway, deep conditioning gray. I asked the girls around Sally's, I'm like, I don't care about color, I just want to exaggerate my grays. I don't want my grays to fade and to show up. I want growth. I don't want fade. But this is the strongest hair color they had. I wish I had a cosmetology license and I could go to the other professional ones, but they won't let you go past the door. Like, they give you the pretty woman treatment where they're like, no, you need a license to shop here. But can you please at least sell your products to Sally's, because they're owned by the same company. Can you at least carry some of those products in Sally's, because I need something stronger than this. This isn't strong enough. So this is 2 fluid ounces to 2 ounces. So you can kind of measure your developer this way. What I do is I empty this, so this is like very liquidy. It's like a caramel color. I dump this in one of these. So this is one from Sally's. So I dump one of these and one of these, and then so this is the brush that I have. I really like this brush. It's from Salon Care, and like this is kind of like, I use plastic gloves, and this is kind of like how I even separate it. So like I'll start with like the middle, and I go like this, and I go like this, and then I go like this. Again, only the roots, and then I go like this, and then I do a lot of this because that's what you guys see, like that, and then I do the back of my head. So I dump this, and then once this is done, I put the developer. I went with the 20. I think the higher you go, the more damage you do to your hair. Like the more you open your cuticle for color to saturate in. So if I wanted to get like really lighter, I'd go like a 30 or 40. But I'm not looking to like lift. I'm looking to just cover my grays. So I take this and I fill this in, and then I dump it in. That way I kind of save on doing the dishes. Blueberry color. So this is 10 drops for every color, and it's called Gray Magic. And they have it in like little like foil packs, but those are just like one-time use. Get this, like this is like $5 and the other one's maybe 99 cents. I've used this so many times, and the other one is just like, you know, you take scissors, you cut it, you dump it, and then you throw it away. This one is reusable. So I do like 10 drops of this in my little dish. I mix it up, I let it sit for a little bit, and then I start coloring. Again, my grays are so stubborn. They told me end papers, I don't know, they're like little tissues. So there's too many of these. I mean, I'm probably gonna be using this until I'm super gray, like 90 years old. So I take this, and then imagine my head is like saturated, and then I go like this. And they said that way, because my grays are very like wiry and they stick up, and I wash my hair color, and all of a sudden I have grays. I'm like, what the heck? I put like 4 ounces of like hair color plus developer on my head, and still I have grays. And they told me that if I do this, it presses down the hair, and they don't escape because they're so stubborn, and they're bad boys. So you trap them in and you color them. So I would recommend that too. If you're coloring from home, if you're going to the salon, that's great. Girl, get pampered. You deserve it.